Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Schwab, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Charles Schwab website. Log into your Schwab account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools section in the top menu. Select Budgeting Tools from the drop-down options. Click on Start Budgeting to initiate the process. You'll see a prompt to link your accounts. Link your checking, savings, and any other relevant accounts to get a full picture of your finances. After linking, input your monthly income. Make sure to include all sources of income for accuracy. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs are regular monthly expenses like rent or mortgage. Variable costs can include entertainment, dining out, and shopping. Once your expenses are categorized, input each amount based on your spending habits. Schwab will then generate a budget overview based on your data. Review the suggested budget to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Make adjustments as necessary to reflect your personal preferences. Check the breakdown of your spending categories. Identify areas where you might overspend and where you can cut back. Set savings goals within the budgeting tool if desired. This feature can help you prioritize savings for emergencies or future purchases. Once satisfied with your budget, save your progress. Regularly check your budget and make updates to reflect changing circumstances. Utilize the reports and graphs provided to visualize your spending trends. Stay engaged with your budget to maintain financial health over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.